You saw me unbox all three of these fragrances, but now it's time for all of you to vote which one will get the spotlight on my channel first. Coming up next, subscriber's choice. YouTube Fragrance family, welcome to another subscriber's choice video. This time, of course, October 2019. This is where you, my subscriber base, make your vote count in the comments below and let me know which one you want to see first on the channel. You know, I work on a lot of fragrance reviews, and this kind of aids me on where they slot in. So one of these is going to be first, then one of these is going to be third on the channel, depending on you guys out there. So how it works is you just comment below, let me know which one out of these three that you prefer to see first, and even put in a reason why. I'd like to see why you are asking for that particular fragrance. So let's round them out. Before I do that, of course, I want to thank my partner in crime, FragranceX.com, for this haul. You can utilize my sweet code Robes08 on Fragrance X, my channel name, and get 15% off on your purchase. Currently, from what I see, I believe all three of these are in stock at Fragrance X. Obviously, as you see, they are unboxed. If you haven't seen my unboxing video on these three, I have a unboxing and a first impression on all three of them on a piece of paper. That was shot back in July 2019. I'll put the link down below to that video if you missed it, so you can go back and take a look at my initial impressions on these fragrances, usually from the piece of paper. What I get in a Pop the Cherry video, which is what I put on skin as my scent of the day, you get way more in-depth with a scent of the day video, just because I had time to wear it. On a piece of paper, you may not get much of the transitions and of course the dry down and things like that on longevity projection. So you're going to get a little bit more of that. And we got three niche offerings here, so these are all high-end fragrances. So let's get into the three fragrances that I have in front of me, and then you get to do all the heavy lifting. Let me know which fragrance you want to see first on my channel. So let's start this way. Let's take a look at, of course, Bloody Wood. Very much the name of the fragrance sold me on this one. This is a brand that I have several of them on my radar just because of their note breakdowns or the names. A very interesting brand. The brand is Le Liquide Imaginaire, so imaginary liquids, basically translated. So this one, of course, Bloody Wood. Very interesting composition. It does have a note of red wine, so very interesting scent. So if you want to see this one reviewed first on my channel, I don't think there's much on YouTube on this one, so that would be a good reason to see that one go first. Talking about brands that's not getting too much shine on YouTube, which they should, is the brand of Orto Parisi. Again, another brand that several of their fragrances intrigue me. This is my second bottle of the brand. Both blind buys, both excellent in my opinion. This is Circus. Really an interesting release from, of course, the nose of Nasomato. So I'm actually, from what I'm seeing here, I'm almost preferring the Orto Parisi line than the Nasomato line from the same nose. But again, this is only my second bottle, so we'll see what we get as a third bottle from the brand. But I'm eyeing quite a few of them. So you know what to do if you want, of course, Circus first on my channel. And last but definitely not least is a brand that I've been purchasing a lot lately, is from the brand of Frédéric Malle. This one called Monsieur, patchouli based fragrance, which I really have been enjoying that fragrance. So one that I feel will probably get the most votes, knowing my subscriber base. You guys will want to see a video on Monsieur. All To me, right now, all excellent releases, but definitely it is up to you guys what you want to see on the channel first. So I can't wait to see those comments. Thank you so much for all the support out there. I certainly appreciate it, and I'll be back with another fragrance related video in the near future. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.